Alright, so now you have created your account, you have linked your account details to your Amazon, you have linked your dollar account details to your Amazon, you can see. Then the next thing, your bank details to your Amazon KDP app. The next thing you want to do is to click on complete tax information. Click on it, then to take you to the next page. Now this, please pay attention. All right, so let's go together. It's loading. It's loading. All right, it's very important you know this. All right, so here we are, you can see. So this first place, we're going to put it, what is your tax clarification? Is it individual or business? We leave it at individual. Now the next question is, are you a United States citizen or permanent resident, green card holder, or other US resident? Click on no. Then they will bring this one. Are you acting as an intermediate agent or other person receiving payments behalf of another person, or as a flow through entity? Click on no. All right, now this place, you can see, now you have to select your country. This full name here is your country. Put citizen of Nigeria. Look for Nigeria. Put Nigeria. It does not mean put Nigeria. Okay. Now look at the postal code. Since you have set it up, also comes up. If it did not come up, if your own is not like this, you change it Nigeria. Then permanent address. Now this is where it gets tricky. Look at this place. They say permanent address. Citizen, put Nigeria. Then here they say permanent address. You are going to change this to South Africa. Now the reason why we want to use South Africa is because South Africa, Amazon does not collect any tax from South Africa. South Africa. I'm not in South Africa. Okay, look at it. South Africa. Click on it. Now this permanent address, South Africa. Then the next thing you are going to do is to fill in this detail. Look at it. So you are going to remove this postal code. You are going to remove it. You're going to put South Africa postal code here. You're going to put city in South Africa here. You're going to put address in South Africa here. Alright, so it's very important, these three things. So I'll show you a site you can use to get those places, those details, so that you'll be charged 0%. Alright, so now let's go to our browser. Let's minimize, go to another browser. Let's use this browser. And what you're going to type is best random. I've already typed it. Okay, so you're going to type bestrandoms.com/South Africa. So it will take you to this place. Then when you click on generate, you can see this is zip code, this is South Africa phone number, this is zip code, this is town. So what did they ask us? They asked us streets. The street is this one. So they asked us street. So which of the streets we are using this? So copy this one as well. Copy. Then states, provisions, copy. Zip code, copy. I think those are the things they ask. They don't ask for phone number. So they ask of zip code, they ask of state, province, states, KwaZulu, that's the state, KwaZulu, city, great town, then street, 2 hour impact street. Okay, so let's go back and fill this so you can see. So come back to your app, let's fill this together. Right, so address, the address, let's fill it. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's shine. Alright, so just have to follow the process. Reload, say you should reload page. Okay, so just go ahead and reload. Most times when you go out of the app, those things they would like to tell you to reload so that it will come back again. Sometimes it's good you write it down before you go. It's good you write all these things down, like all those South Africa account details you'll be putting for the permanent side. It's good you write them down so that when you start the process it will be easy for you to do that. Alright, so it's loading. It's loading, so let's wait. And they say continue, network, continue. Alright, so it will take us back to this to take us back to this place. It's loading. Alright, so click on already told us here what you click is, so what you want to do here is to put our tax on 0 so that Amazon will not be charging all those 30-70%. Okay, so put it in individual, then no, then no, then your full name, then country of resident, Nigeria. Where is it? Here is Nigeria. You any country, you can put your country, but I'm in Nigeria, so here you put Nigeria. Then this permanent address is where you put South Africa. I seen it. Hope you're following. So I put South Africa. Where is South Africa? Click on it. Put South Africa. Alright. Then this address, you remove this. Okay. Let's look for the one we copy. This is it. Remove this address too. The city. So let's look for the city. This is Cape Town City. So let's remove this as well. Alright, so here we have the, what is it called? We have the zip code, the state. Then here we have the zip code. The zip code is 30. I think this is the zip code 32. Alright, so the next thing, also confirm that that zip code is correct. Let me see, 32. Zip code is 32. Yeah, it's correct. Zip code is correct. Oh shit. So zip code is correct. Now this place, you see, tax, payment and education. What you want to do is to put in, you see, you select this. I have a non-US thing. So this place, what you're going to put here is your BVN. Okay, don't worry, it's safe and secure. This is where you're going to put your BVN. So you go and copy your BVN and put here, then you click on continue. Okay, your BVN, that's what you put here, then click on continue. Okay, make sure you tick this. I have a non-US thing, and go ahead, click this BVN and continue. Put your BVN. So I'm going to copy my BVN. Alright, so go ahead, click on put your BVN and click on continue. Now once you put that and click on continue, once you put your BVN and click on continue, this is what they say. They say the selected country qualifies for treaty benefit. That means you can see, I see you may be eligible to receive a reduction in the 30% US tax withholding by providing the information. So you can see below. So click on confirm. Click on confirm. I see it. You are eligible for the, I see it. You are eligible for the treaty benefit. So click on save and preview. Click on that. Alright, so this place now where they say click on I clarify that I have the capacity to sign for personal identity on line of this form. So here the signature, what you put there is your name, right? So you put your name, then go ahead and click on submit. So let's see. Now you can see they say your tax information has been received and successfully validated, applicable, withholding 0% tax rates. I seen that. So this is it. So you go down. I seen it. So your account has been activated successfully. So you can see everything has been linked. So click on exit interview. Click on it to take you back to your Amazon account, and you see that that update icon is no longer there. So congratulations, your account is ready. Now once you come back to this place, you can see, look at it, they say application with loading. I seen it. Tax completed February 23rd. So click on save. So your account has been saved. Click on save. Your account has been saved. So nothing more. Go back to your dashboard. So your account has been saved. Once you click save, everything is stored. So you go back to your dashboard and start publishing. So that will be all for this video. So you can see, look at, I seen it. So that question they were asking, update account, is no longer there. So you can go ahead and refresh this page. I seen it. So your account is now ready for publishing. Congratulations.